Yeah, nice fifth wheel. Like I said, packed in here like sardines. There's gonna be a slide that we won't be able to see. It is kind of faded. I don't know where these grease marks come from, but kind of interesting. It's not on our sales lot because we got to clean it, detail it. There is an Onan generator in there. You can tell by the color. No weird delamination or bulges or cracks or anything in the fiberglass. Good storage here, little portable table. With the slide in, can't really get to the garage, so I'm gonna walk around, show you the garage. Pretty sure these are tank heaters. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. No, that's a tank heater. So that's pretty cool. The rest would be lights. This guy was very particular. Kept his stuff really clean. See if I can slide in here. Sorry for the darkness as well. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Ooh, that's a comfortable mattress. Memory foam pillow top. Oh, heavy. I always tell people this is a bed on wheels. Make sure it's comfortable. It's at least your second air conditioner. There's carpet on these steps. Carpet on that slide. The leather's in good condition. The dinette is cloth. Looking at it, I don't see anything wrong with it. I don't see scratches, nicks, anything weird. But the outside is definitely a little faded. You see it there. Extended season camping. It's got the heated and enclosed with insulated tanks, heated water tanks. Oh, lots of tread on the tires. There's some cracking there. Yeah, they're technically not matching tires. Electric stabilizers for the rear. Moving into the garage. The floor is clean. We do got our bed and basically dinette and sofas that come down. There should be a table up underneath the mattress. Hopefully this does turn into your rear patio. You got the handrails. It's a 12-foot garage. This is like the third TV. Big storage, big doors. Love the glass. That's a little different. Got a button there. So yeah, we always just send everything through the shop. Do got a hitch on the back with the 7-way round. That's a tow hitch for sure. Pre-wired for a backup camera. There's your ladder, your fuel station. The generator will run off of gasoline, so that's where you put your gasoline. And then your fuel station, of course, there's a fuel nozzle in there. There's a scratch that runs all the way down. Couple scratches. And actually, if you put some wax on this, it'd probably clean up really nice. We're probably not going to do that, but all in all, I think it's a nice unit. I will find out what the price is and what the year, make, and model, that good stuff. I'll add it to the video, and yeah, hope you like it. Let me know. Thanks.